Little tubers got a little carried away at an auction and brought home more toolboxes. So it looks like I have another project here. This is a really nice vintage gray box, and looks like a vintage snap-on here. I'm gonna have to get the logo for there. And then down here, you guys in the States won't know about this brand, but a lot of people are crazy about these vintage Mastercraft boxes from Canadian Tire. So I've got my work cut out for me to get these restored, which I will do. It'll be a good winter project. If you're a guy that likes toolboxes like I do, really needs some. The middle box is probably the best one, but that top box is going to need a full restoration. So that'll be another project. It'll look really nice when it's done. Later.